not have the right density and it might just break apart.
According to the horror movies, a silver bullet is the only thing that can stop a werewolf dead. And marking a bullet with the name of your enemy is Westerns 101. But with these weird ballistics even hit the mark?
Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to public enemy number 1. Now to test this myth, we'll be firing our M1 Garand at the target behind me. Things we're interested in are accuracy and penetrating power. But to keep our aim consistent, we've brought in firearms consultant Stephen Liu, who's also an expert marksman.
Not only are we looking at how accurate